Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you how you can install the Dahler exhaust control module into your BMW. All right, guys, let's talk about this project a little bit before we do it and why this is something you would want to do to your BMW. Now, there's two different versions of this module. There's the single exhaust flap or the double or dual exhaust flap. We're going to be installing the double today, but it's going to be the exact same process if you have a single. So make sure you check out and get the right product for your car. But BMW only gives you limited control of your exhaust valve flap. So if you're in comfort or efficient mode, it'll usually be closed. If you go into sport mode, in theory it opens. But especially in some of the G80s, if you look, it actually doesn't even open all the way. It only opens when you hit the accelerator pedal, does it blip open for a moment, then closes. So you're not actually getting full control of your exhaust valve flap. What's really cool about this module is it's very easy plug and play. It won't void your warranty in any way. It's a really easy install and something you can take out later if you want to or if you change cars. This module is good for the dual exhaust F series and dual exhaust G series. So it works all the way across. Now, before we get started, one additional thing I want to point out with my quick jacks here over my shoulder. You could possibly do this without putting your car in the air, but it definitely would be harder. So we're gonna get the car up in the air today. Whenever I do this, I'm always gonna say this every time. You're gonna need a jack and jack stands or quick jacks or ramps, something similar, but be careful while you do it. Don't bet your life on a jack. Put one side up, and without a jack stand, don't bet your life on a 50-cent part because it can fail. I've seen it happen. Your car will come down and be damaged. Best case scenario, your car will be damaged. Worst case scenario, you were under the car. So don't do that, all right? So the very first thing we're gonna do is get the car up in the air with my quick jacks back here over my shoulder, and I'm gonna walk you through the whole process. Let's get started. All right, guys, we're looking back at this gorgeous M3. So this is stock exhaust and with the stock valve controllers. Now, there's lots of aftermarket exhaust out there as well that reuse the same controllers, and if you've seen some of my other exhaust videos, you've seen that setup. But we're gonna crawl underneath here for a second, but I wanted you to see, so you've got one valve controller on this side and one on this side. So really, the whole goal of this is getting underneath the car, finding a good place to secure the Dahler module here underneath, and then run your cables in a safe fashion. It's really not that hard. You just want to get the car in the air and then find a good place. So let's slide underneath and I'll show you what that looks like.